So now you have downloaded the PDF with the links to a template. You'll realize that there are actually two links. There's one link for a design without a bleed, and there's one link to a design with bleed. So what does it mean to have a bleed? So in this example here, the bleed actually refers to the black border around the circle. So if you look at these two designs, see the one with the bleed actually is slightly larger than the one without bleed. The one without the bleed is actually the exact same size as your label. So if you're printing, you might want to consider using the design with the bleed, especially if you're using a label design with the background color. Why is that? So this is what happened when you are printing without the bleed. So sometimes during the printing, some shifting could happen. So if your design is the same size as the label, then when it's shifted, it can be really, really obvious. Whereas if your the background of your design extend to the area outside of the border, then when the shifting happens, it ensures that your design can still look good. So if you're going to print a label, then I will highly recommend using the one with bleed, especially if you're going to want to use the dark color one. So that's going to go ahead and start template. And the template itself is hosted on Canva. You will need to create an account, so you just need a free one. You don't need to use the pro version. Once you sign up, you can just click on use the templates. And once you go into the template, you will see that there are actually two pages. There's one for the dark version, one for the light version. And you will also notice that for the one with the bleed version, there's a gray circle in the middle. So the gray circle here are just the guide. It shows you where the actual label sits. And once you're done editing, you can always turn it off by bringing the transparency to 0. So you can do that for both the light and dark. So this is a fully editable template. You can basically change anything in here. So you can add some text, change the text here. You can change the font to a different one if you would like. You can move things around. You can even change the color of the background here. So let's say I want to change it to dark blue. And once you're happy with everything, you can just go ahead, click on this download button at the top right corner right here. And for the highest quality, I would suggest using PDF print. But if that's a format that you're not able to use, then PNG would be a good format to go as well. So you simply select the design you would like to use. So let's say in this case, I would just want to use the one with the blue, and click on done, download. And there you have it. You have your label right here. Thank you for watching.